last time we were at this trail. The video stopped recording. I'm sorry that happened, but I managed to get it recording again. This is part 2, by the way. As you see, we're now in this place. There's like a garden over there. Hey, we should go to that place over there. Oh. Okay, guys, we're back. We are still walking somewhere. Still don't know why it stopped recording on the last one. Oh yeah, snakes too, bro. Watch out for snakies. For real, bro. If I get bitten by a snake during this video, y'all better subscribe. Oh, caution, slippery when wet. Dang, that sucks. I can do it. Oh, excuse me. Oh, there's water. There's water. Yo, there's water. Bruh. Okay, guys, look at all this stuff. Okay, guys. Seem to be kind of lost. Oh, guys, there's a sign. There's a sign. Guys, there's a sign. Oh, guys, I'm gonna read it to y'all. Oh, can y'all? Oh. What the heck? I can't read that, bro. Maybe my mom can read it.
Hackberry, this native can be, the sign's messed up, but it's
I know it is.
Plant, I think.
Yeah, it's talking about wild berries that grow here that we could eat, but I might take the chances. Oh, guys, more water. More water, guys. Guys, there's another sign. Rich is life, blazing star, meadow clark, I don't know. Heron and egret, nesting colony, and white-tailed deer. Maybe in the future videos of this series, I might find some white-tailed deer. Never know, though. You never know, bro. What? What? Guys, is it just me or did I hear something walk?
Yeah.
Oh, frick. Oh, stay still, stay still. Did like birds? I swear I heard something like something. Oh, guys, there's another sign over there. We should go get that sign. Come on, guys, let's go. Let's go. I'm pretty sure there's a sign over here. Oh, don't know. Oh, hold up, there is. Guys, see that white sign? We're gonna go do. Oh God, it's scary. Guys, it's scary. Why y'all making me do this? I'll do it for y'all guys, okay? The water oak is a lowland tree commonly found along rivers and swamps. The species refers to black bark, often planted and along streets. And I can't read that. The signs are all messed up. It's talking about a tree, though. Oh, maybe that's the tree they were talking about. That tree that fell down right now. Guys, is that a bug? Oh. Another sign. The Chinese towel tree is an invasive tree from Asia and is serious. I don't care. The sign, I don't care. Oh no, I don't care. Guys, it's scary. It's scary here.
You need to not kill my battery. You need to
Guys, there's another sign. Guys,
Hurricane Ike.
Hurricane Ike. What's that? Dang.